Hey, John Cristani here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $500 per day promoting evergreen webinar-based affiliate offers and funnels. Now, if you've been following marketing recently, you'll see there's all these webinars, right? All these webinars that are being promoted in the make money online space or the make money in anything space, and it's because they work. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money using or promoting these sorts of offers. I've made over $10 million in the past 3 years with this sort of offer, and I'll show you how you can make a little bit of that money as well. Let's get into it. Hey, John Cristani here, made over $10 million the last 3 years promoting evergreen webinars. And if you do the never-ending scroll on Facebook, you'll see a lot of people are promoting webinars. And it's because there's a lot of money in promoting webinars. And there are a lot of product creators out there that sell $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 programs, and they will give you 50% commission for promoting their webinar. Now, if you're able to get people to webinars and get just one sale a day, that's $500 at a 50% commission rate. That is $2,500 if you're promoting a program that costs $5,000. Now, I have one of these programs. I teach affiliate marketing in my $1,000 course, and I offer 50% commissions to affiliates who get people on webinars for me. And to sign up for these affiliate programs, it costs $0. You don't have to spend any money in advertising to put your links out there. You don't need any money to get started and just get my link out to people to get them to sign up for my webinar, and you can be earning $500 a day. Now, I did all the work of creating the online course, of creating the certification program, the community, the registration, all the software, the funnel, the salesmanship that is in the webinar itself, right? I've tested over a dozen variations of the webinar that is on our current funnel in order to make sure that every time you get somebody to register for my webinar, that I am doing the absolute best job of closing them quickly and making sure, if they're really interested in learning affiliate marketing, of helping entice them and help them understand why my training program is the best thing they will ever do. And it is a better alternative to the other way of doing things if they have the money. I've paid out over $4 million this past 3 years to different affiliates of who've been getting people to register for my webinar. And I have tons of people who have made tons of money, obviously. That's $4 million over, I don't know, maybe over 1,000 individuals have earned money promoting my products. Now, the first thing you need to know is where to find these high-ticket evergreen webinar-based products to promote. And you'll find them on ClickBank, you'll find them on JVZoo, you'll find them on Warrior Plus, you'll find them on Digistore. And in my webinar, I teach a lot of valuable information that I've learned about paid advertising and affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to watch my webinar, there's a link in the description, but I'm going to go over ways you can actually promote and get your affiliate link out there about my webinar so you can start making that money. Now, the first tip I have is just take notes. Literally, when you're watching the webinar, write down, type down notes based on what I'm teaching, and then go out and do a blog post about it or put it on Facebook. Talk about them on a YouTube channel or a YouTube video, because many people, they don't want to necessarily watch a 2-hour and 30-minute webinar. Another tip of how you can promote a webinar-based funnel is actually, instead of giving all of your notes out about what's on the webinar all at once, is you can actually drip it out. And what that means is you can actually just really teach particular areas or give your notes on a particular segment of my webinar at one time and just extend it out so you have multiple social media posts multiple blog posts, multiple Facebook notes or videos or whatever about the webinar. One thing you could do is you could separate it into 3 sections. For instance, in my webinar, I talk about people, place, and product. I talk about finding your target audience, building a pre-sale page, and finding the right affiliate offer, and how when you get those 3 things, it's kind of like a key that unlocks money. Just go deep into people, which is targeting, which is a very deep subject, and you can do one post about that. Heck, you could even extend it into a 6 video series or a 6 blog post series or a 6, pins or Instagram or whatever series where you talk about these different subjects. You could expand, you could give my notes on targeting, and then you can expand on it and give your experience. Or you could go over my notes on targeting, then you can actually go out there and try to apply what I taught in the webinar itself and report back on your results, right? You could do stuff like that. People love it when you go out and try. You are a crash test dummy yourself, because so few people in life are willing to go out there and actually produce content and actually try these methods of earning an online income themselves. And at the end of your notes or each post, you include your affiliate link that you get from ClickBank or Digistore or JVZoo. And if somebody registers and ends up purchasing the training program, you make $500 in a single day. Now, if you want to learn more about free traffic methods or ways you can post links, make sure to check out my free traffic method playlist. It's going to be somewhere around here, which goes over a step-by-step video tutorials on my channel of how to get your link from ClickBank or how to get your affiliate link from Digistore, how to register, how to sign up, and just how to copy and paste your link into, any social network that you decide to use on. So also, I encourage you to subscribe and make sure you enable the notifications, because I give away thousands of dollars in gift cards every single month, every single week. On Monday mornings, I'm giving away lots of money. I'm giving away PayPal money too. And what I do is I take these gift cards and I open them up and I scratch off the backs of them live, so that whoever's got the quickest finger in my audience gets rewarded with free money, PayPal or Amazon. So you can, I don't know, just I don't know what you're going to do with it. Also, if you want to join my community, I encourage you to go to johncristani.com/Discord, because we have a free community there where you can start surrounding yourself with other fellow hustlers that are looking to make money online. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.
Oh, John, absolutely one of the best teachers there are.
It's worth it to buy John's program because you can double, triple, even quadruple your money in a very short amount of time.
And I'm David Rocher. I just wanted to reach out. Let's share a little bit about my story. Within the first few exercises, I did the exercises immediately, and I got immediate sales, and I just couldn't believe it. So I got paid. I've gotten paid. I've made more and more sales, and I'm just so excited to have a mentor that's teaching me exactly what to do, how to do it, what to do, what to post, how to post it, like a cookie cutter system. All I got to do is just follow it and do, just put my heart into it.